Hello everyone, thank you for tuning into our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to make a custom status region visible in newly introduced IS-based shared ticket console in Smart IT. Let's dive right in. This is a straightforward process involving some configuration changes in Innovation Studio. Here is a quick overview of the steps. Let's start with the demo. Log in into Smart IT and access the IS ticket console. As we can see, the custom status region configured in ITSM or PWA isn't visible in the status region column. To configure the custom status region, we will need to log in into Innovation Studio. Once you are logged in, click on the workspace and search for the ITSM application under the workspace. Open the ITSM application and navigate to ITSM ticket CRD. In ITSM ticket CRD, look for the field name Consolidated Status Region. Select the Consolidated Status Region. On the right hand panel, we will see a gear icon. Look for the option field and click on Edit. This will open a pop-up window which allows you to configure the new status region. Click on Add option and provide the name. Note, while configuring the region status region, we have to make sure it matches the value with the value configured in the ITSM. Once the value is given, click on Map Values. This will open another pop-up window. In this window, we have to make sure that for whichever status region or whichever module we have to configure this status region, we map it with that particular module. For the demo, we will be mapping it with the HPD helpdesk. Click on Add option. From the drop down, select the newly added custom status region. Save the changes. Save the application. This will give you a message saved successfully. Let's go back to the ITSM Smart IT and do a refresh of the browser. You can see now the custom status region is visible. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.